Hi guys, welcome to .NET Techie. So it's time to learn something another important you may say. So last time what I did, I have shown you how we can perform the post operation. So how to call the restful service, perform the post operation. So what we did last time basically is this, let's say we have we are adding one record over here. So I will just show you in 1 minute what we have done last time. Yeah, so we are entering the ID, say some phone number, let's say some date of birth and some Aadhaar number, and let's say address. Okay. I hit on this save button and I have posted the data to my database. Now it's time for us to learn the update operation. So we have successfully added the customer in our database. I will show you this where it got added. Now how to perform the update operation or how to perform the put restful call. So this is my update form which I have created, and based on the selection of the ID basically. So let me refresh once this form. It is already loaded. So I'm just refreshing this form, and once this form is refreshed, now we have recently added this record. Now we would like to update this record. So let's say something uh, we wanted to change it. Let's say I have changed it, and I have changed email ID over here, and let's put the phone number and other things. I'm just performing the update operation over here. So now it should update my record in my database. So when I see, let me see if I'm having there is no breakpoint on this method basically, and let's see what's happening. It's working fine. So in the console also we don't have any error. Okay, all right. Maybe message is not got populated. That's all I can say at this moment. So this is like a update operation. How I have achieved this operation, that is pretty important. So in order to perform the update in normal scenario or business case scenario, you are already having something in your database and you would like to update those particular things, right? So in order to do that, first of all you need to select all the records from your database, and once record is selected you need to populate. So what I did, I based on this ID I have selected the record, and once I got the record I have populated those record value in my form. And once we got all those values in the form, we are performing some kind of change, and then we are doing the update operation. So that's how update is getting performed over here. Okay, all right. So let me show you basically the code, very important thing where I was able to manage this update operation. So what is that all there in the update operation, we could just see from here. Okay, all right, I have tested. Okay, so first of all let me take you through the HTML. So this is my HTML. This is toolbar, update customer details, which I have mentioned. This is one form which is having the value of the update controls. So this is my first controls, which is the ID, and on change of the ID I'm firing up fill all controls method. Then next control is my title. In title I'm assigning the value. Then next control is my name, then gender, then email, then phone number, then DOB, Aadhaar, address, etc. And we are showing the message on the submit form. So yes guys, why this was not working, that is important. So in order to speed up the process, what I have done is update customer tiers. Basically let me show you the HTML part. So it calls a submit form method. In the submit form method, basically as of now there is nothing. So let me go over here and correct it. Yeah, it was my bad. I have just removed it in order to show you how. So what I am doing over here, I have shown you the HTML. Now I will show you like these values over here. So this is my component. Simply I have imported form builder, form router and validator. This is the customer model which I am using for update, and this is customer service and more mat option selection change I am using when I am calling the fill update control method. So because in the material design, this is very important thing. When you are want to update anything, then you need to, like in the drop down list, if you want to perform any operation, you need to import this, and then only the event will work out, else you will struggle. I was also struggling with this thing, but I was able to resolve it. So these are the simply values. So this is customer forms, this is something which I'm holding the response, this is something selected id I'm keeping, these are the masses and all. These are the titles which will be possible titles. In the constructor I have injected form builder, customer service and all those things like this. Once form gets initialized, what I am doing, get all customers method. So first of all I need to get all the customers. So what is there in the get all customers method? Basically I am calling customer service dot get all customer method, taking the response and assigning all those id into my control form control. So these are the customer ids which I am assigning to my form controls, so that all the id will be available and user can select the particular id which he wanted to update it. So basically this customer id array I am filling it up by doing the get all method. If you want to see how get all method is there in the my service, this is my get all method over here. So this get all customer, this is what it is doing, just passing API URL and bringing all the customers from there. Right, so this was the first of all get all method has been called on the page load on the constructor itself. Then once all the customer came, we need to select some id and perform the update operations. Once we select some id and edit some values, now we can get the form values like this over here. So we can retrieve all those values and we can call update customer method of my service. So let me show you the update customer method of my service as well. So here in my service, this is my method update customer. Simply http client dot put and this dot api url. I am passing the id which I wanted to update and customer. So what is required for put customer method? First parameter is id and second parameter is the customer object we wanted to. So that's how it works. So let me go quickly and do, let's say CRUD I wanted to update it. At that time we were not able to do that. Let's say okay, alright, I have updated just one value and let us change to this. Yes, okay, update button is enabled and hit update. Now my breakpoint hits because at that time it was not there. So sorry for that, but it is helpful. Now is this all the customer model value is coming up and it will just perform the update operation. So as of now masses I have not changed, but this is what update operation is and how it works. So this is update must customer method in service. Thanks for watching it. This is my submit form method over here, and fill update control method is here, which is filling all the controls once id is getting selected. Do not forget to use event dot is user input. If it is a user input, then only come inside and update it, else basically it propagates some autocomplete event and all that creates the problem for us. Thank you for watching .NET Techie. So this is how update operation can be performed over here, and do not forget to subscribe my channel .NET Techie. There are many videos on the Angular side where HTTP post, code, delete and all those things. I will be coming up with these view customers and delete customers in my next video. See, material design is how cool. This is cool animation over here. Thank you guys. Please like, subscribe and comment, and if you are having any question, comment on that. If you ask code, I will provide you the code as well. Thank you. Thanks all for watching. Hope it helps you. Please learn, share, and grow.